I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
Hello lovely people, on today's video is about how to lose body fat in 7 days. It's not easy, but it's something everyone can do if you follow my 3-part plan. That is dieting, training and staying lean so that weight will not be regained. Before I continue, please do well to like, share and subscribe. Subscribing to this channel will always keep you updated but will never harm you. To lose body fat in 1 week, you can initiate lifestyle changes like running for 30 minutes every day and maintaining a diet that is low in calories, fat and sugar. Exercise and diet can prevent further fat accumulation in the body and can trigger fat burning, especially in the belly. In addition to aerobic activity, it is also important to perform exercises that strengthen the abdominal muscles, as this can lead to a more toned appearance. It is important to consult a personal trainer and registered dietitian to formulate a plan that is conducive to health goals. Although 1 week is a very short period of time to eliminate all accumulated fat, it is possible to lose weight and reduce abdominal swelling, which may also be influenced by water retention and excess gas. Exercise to lose body fat. The best exercises for targeting fat and aerobic exercises that burn the most calories within a short amount of time. Some examples include: number 1 is running. Running is an aerobic activity that is very efficient for body fat loss and belly fat burning. It activates several muscles at once and it reduces muscle resistance while improving your physical stamina and cardiorespiratory endurance. All of these help to boost your metabolism, which will activate fat burning. One way to speed up weight loss and body fat burning is to do interval training, which should be done at a high intensity. This consists of alternating between periods of effort and resist of further increased metabolism. Rest can be active and passive. It's important that this type of training is supervised by a personal trainer to avoid injury and to ensure that the activity is being carried out at a high intensity. Number 2 is aerobic classes. Aerobic classes like step running, normal jumping and push-ups. There are other videos that shows how push-up is done correctly. The link is in the description. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to support the growth of this channel. Thank you. That was some common example for aerobics that are very effective for losing body fat, as they are usually done at a high intensity. In addition, aerobic classes are normally done in groups, which is good because the participants encourage each other to perform the activity correctly. Number 3 is jumping rope. Jumping rope is considered to be the complete exercise because it stimulates the muscles and improves the cardiovascular and respiratory systems. This will boost metabolism to promote calorie and fat burning. Overall, jumping rope has a lot of different health benefits. Number 4 is riding bicycle. Riding bicycle is another great way of promoting weight loss and body fat burning, since it builds muscle and improves strength and resistance. It employs a great number of muscles to work, and the more muscle working, the higher the capacity of the body to burn fat. Number 3 is speed walking. When it is consistent and quick, walking can boost metabolism and promote weight loss and body fat burning. For this to be possible, however, you need to do speed walk for at least 30 minutes at a consistently high intensity. It's also important that you follow my diet plan alongside these physical activities. Number 6 is swimming. Swimming is also an excellent exercise that can be performed for weight loss, as it improves your physical condition and strengthens the muscles, which helps to burn fat faster. It's very effective, but it is optional because not all of us love to swim. Let's look at how we can manage our diet to stay normal as we want without gaining a lot of fat back in the body. Please like, share and subscribe if you haven't do so. Let's continue. This is how to control your diet. And number 1 is reduce refined carbs. One should avoid consuming refined carbs to lose fat around the abdominal area and have good metabolic health. It is not necessary to stick to a strict low-carb diet. However, it should be replaced with unprocessed carbs instead of white bread, white rice and sodas. Eat more vegetables and whole grains. And number 2 is add fatty fish to your diet. Fatty fish such as salmon, sardines or tuna is a high quality protein and rich in omega-3 acid. By eating 2 to 3 portions a week, you can reduce the risk of illness like heart disease and also burn your belly fat. Studies reveal that omega-3 fats have the ability to reduce visceral fat that is around your abdomen. Number 3 is start the day with a high protein breakfast. Start your day with some Greek yogurt, protein smoothies, scrambled egg whites, or porridge. After eating protein in the morning, you feel full until lunch without any hunger pangs. Proteins increase your metabolic rate while retaining muscle mass during weight loss. You can also add proteins such as eggs, fish, chicken, beans, or dairy in every other meal. Number 4 is drink enough water. Even if you don't want to lose weight, stay hydrated. It is important for your general health. Drinking 4 to 5 liters of water each day is recommended and will burn more calories. Also, drinking right before eating reduces your appetite as well as calorie intake. Make sure to avoid any other beverages containing lots of sugars and calories. Drink warm water with lemon in the morning on the empty stomach helps kickstart your metabolism and digestive system as well. Number 5 is reduce your salt intake. Consumed salt retains water and makes your belly feel bloated. Before making a purchase, always make sure the nutrition label does not mention high sodium level, since processed food consists of salt, added sugar, and unhealthy fat. Number 6 is consume soluble fiber similar to proteins. Soluble fiber makes you feel full for a few hours so that you don't have to consume unneeded extra calories in your meal. Soluble fibers absorb water and form a gel that lowers fat absorption. A good thing for someone seeking to lose weight. You can find them in barley, nuts, seeds, beans, and lentils. If you do all this within 7 days, you will see a huge changes in yourself. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your comment is also important for our future content. You can visit the channel page for more related videos. Thanks for watching. I will be happy to see you again. Bye for now.
And burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.